Alright guys, today is a big day. We are actually out to get my younger brother Timmy here, his first car. Alright, I'm going to give you a little rundown of this vehicle we're going to get. So I was helping my buddy's uncle move a piece of furniture, and I ended up driving my Edsel, as one would do. And I was helping move, and then this couple drove by, stopped, was looking at my Edsel, and then they asked me, do I want another one? And at first I thought, oh, another older car, something like that. And I kind of him-hommed like, I don't know. And then the husband comes out and tells me what he has. He had a 1959 Edsel Ranger, and so what one kid would do is hop in their car and go check it out. So I went and looked at it. I just looked at one side, saw the interior, ended up getting a hold of my dad and Mikey, seeing what they thought. So I told them about it. We got it for a really good deal. It's a project car, and we wanted something Timmy could learn on, so we decided to get him something that needs a little bit of work. So this was perfect for him. But Mikey and my dad, they didn't really, they have an issue when I say, oh, this thing is perfect, because my definition of perfect is different than theirs. I could see a pile of rust and be like, oh, that's perfect, we could save it. And they'd be like, stop it. So I want you guys to see Timmy's first car, a 1959 Edsel Ranger. Alright guys, here it is, Timmy's 1959 Edsel Ranger. It was sat for a while, it's parked, and that's why it's so dusty. Unfortunately, where it was, the windshield and the windows got, well, as you see, shattered. But that's fine. We'll find some of the find someone who has a spare. So hopefully you can find it. But as you see, it's this really nice blue with the white, and we were told that it has all the extra parts in the trunk. So once we show you a walk around, we'll definitely go in the trunk and show you what's in the trunk. But this is it so far. And then it has a 292, and everything seems to be there. So hopefully we can get it running. The guy we bought it from, he did say that it runs good. He ended up getting head work done to it, so it could take regular gas, which is nice because that's what we did with mine as well. So now Timmy doesn't have to worry much about adding anything into the gas. So here's the driver's side, and then the doors are solid, but here's the interior, the dash. The door panel is back here, and the previous owner gave us some books to look off of things to get. So we got some books, and one of these I believe are for transmission, but the interior is actually really good. That's that. It is a post car, so it has the post. So when you roll the windows down, it has the post. So which is nice because, well, I just realized that this part here is way different than mine because of it being a post car. So that was neat learning, just by having another one, how it, is different. But so there are two flat tires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spare out of Timmy's and the spare out of mine, and so he could have a roller. But here's the piece I was talking about. So back here, this chrome is different, which is nice because Timmy could kind of make his own, and it's the same car but different. So that's the good thing about it. And yeah, there's his car. I'm going to pop the trunk for you guys and see what we got back here. All right, so I'm going to pop the trunk. Here's the keys we got for it. This is the original to start it, and this is the trunk key, which is fine because if you look at my key, I got the original trunk key, but not the original ignition key. So me and Timmy are in the same boat there, but again, different. So I'm gonna open it, and as you see, there is a lot of extra stuff, but I would like to show you guys how nice everything is. The guy said it was a Southern car, but in Southern California, but it's still, everything's pretty solid. Those are for just the emblems, but everything else is really solid. I'm gonna go through these bins. I see you got hubcaps, some carburetors, some other odds and ends, and some weather stripping. Hopefully it's for the trunk, because then I'll just take it from Tim. But yeah, I'll go through these parts and let's see what he has as extra or stuff that he can use. Alright guys, welcome back to Delashment Road, and today we got a special guest.
Hi, I'm Nate.
And today what we're going to be doing is going through all of Timmy's stuff that's back here and seeing what he has, what we can use, and what we can't use. So let me pull a chair over for him. Let's begin. Alright, just in case you guys didn't hear, this is Nate. He's a buddy of mine. We've been friends since middle school, probably even before that, because come to find out, we were in the same pre-K. So that's cool. Anywho, so we're gonna be going through this bin here. I already pulled it out. There's two bins like this, a bucket, a rim, and some other stuff. So I want to start here.
Looks like we got a horn. Does he have one already on the car?
He has one on the car, so I'm going to keep this. No, this is now mine. Right, Tim?
It doesn't work.
Oh, that might come in handy. It might polish up good. But I don't know what side it's for.
I don't know.
Oh, this side.
Well, but if you turn it, it could go on this side.
No. A leather thing for wiper blades and arms. Those will keep.
Those will keep because he needs it.
Got some more trim.
This is for the back paneling.
Fancy.
More trim. I don't know where this goes. To be honest with you. So this will save also.
Another piece of trim. No clue where it goes, but we'll keep it.
A clock.
What time is it?
I don't know how to read this. Here you go.
I mean, you know. You see what I see, right?
Yeah.
That may be important. Yeah.
We're going to pretend we didn't see this, and I'm just going to put it back down there.
Yeah.
Oh, those are actually good to have.
What are these?
These are clips, or yeah, for holding in like your side trim. So like this piece here, well, that's a little bit too big. Okay, so like it'll kind of wedge in between the trim pieces, and you know, so when you tighten it, this turns and it locks it in.
Oh, that's a neat. We got an antenna. I didn't see one, so hopefully this is the one that goes to it. Hey, look, we got a lens for the car.
And all the chrome pieces.
Yeah, so
In
we have
the
whole
first
kit.
pin, but we could probably just use those too.
Yeah. That's key, definitely.
That's definitely key.
We're gonna put that right in.
We got the front spear. from the hood, so that's nice.
Oh, that's a good find.
Yes, this is the front spears, or what would you call those?
Fender markers?
Yeah, you genius.
I know some stuff.
This is nice to have. I'm guessing this is more of just I'm a hoarder and we'll just keep everything.
Yeah, that's some kind of.
A 7/16.
If it's not a 10, I don't really care.
Oh, that's right. You like Honda.
Oh yes. I'm repicking. We got a Corvette badge. That's a nice find. That might go home with me.
No. You can put it in the trunk.
Next, we got a Chevrolet. Pretty sure it's supposed to say Chevrolet, but
How did you not see that?
what?
There's a second one.
That goes in your pile now.
Yeah.
I don't know how I missed it.
I know, it was like literally right by that.
I know, I think I even moved it.
Alright guys, Timmy is dying to see the car all cleaned up. So it is his car. So I'll close the trunk, we'll wash the car and see how it looks clean. Alright guys, there it is. We did clean it up. It cleaned up a little. We are going to have to get like a rubbing compound and go over it with a rubbing compound. We did a little on the doors and you could tell it does shine up a bit. So that's going to be off camera because got a whole lot of car. So we did that. The next video, we're going to attempt to get it running. Right now, me and Timmy are going to have to clean out the garage, get this in. But I would like to show you guys the interior. I forgot to show you guys the interior before. So we're gonna come along here and show you the interior. So as you see, the seats are actually really good. The carpeting, we vacuumed that out. There was some glass in it, but you can see the carpet, it's faded, but everything else is actually fairly decent condition. So the door panel is on the back, so we do have that door panel. We got everything, so it's not, you know, we pretty much got everything for the car, so that we're not missing anything. So right now we're gonna have to take his spare tire, my spare tire, put it on the car so we can roll this in the garage. I hope you guys like, subscribe.
Oh, and leave a comment down below. So
I hope you enjoyed your cruise down
the last minute road.
There it is.
I almost forgot what to say then.
How?
Well, I didn't want to pronounce it wrong.
Schmidt Road.